Have you ever felt stuck when trying to come up with solutions to a tricky problem? Whether you're working on a personal project, leading a team, or trying to overcome everyday challenges, having a solid brainstorming process can make all the difference. Now, in today's video, we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to not just spark ideas, but also develop creative problem solving strategies step by step. We'll walk through several key approaches that will help you get results faster and with more clarity. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you boost your productivity and idea generation. Let's jump right in. The first step in brainstorming for problem solving is widening your perspective. Often we limit ourselves to the ideas we're already familiar with. But then, now, let's break out of that box by giving ChatGPT a prompt that encourages diverse viewpoints. Now, this will help you identify aspects of the problem you might not have considered. Now, I'll walk you through how to set this up. To begin, it's important to provide context and ask ChatGPT to explore different perspectives. Let's see how that works in action. So, first off, here's my prompt right here. So let's say I'm working on a project to increase engagement in online classrooms. Could you list 5 different perspectives from educators and students about the biggest obstacles? All right, let's send this off right now. Okay, so here are the following with each the educators' perspectives, and here are the main points, followed by the students' perspectives. Also has 5 points as well with their perspectives and all. But we're not done just yet. Before we can explore further with what ChatGPT had generated, why don't we add one more? Viewpoint from the parents, that is. Now let me paste a prompt right over here. There we go. So here's what I said or asked ChatGPT. Now add perspectives from parents and suggest potential solutions for each group. So that's an added one that ChatGPT will do, just to provide solutions to each of the groups, that is, parents, students, and educators. So let's see how this goes. Alrighty, as you can see, we're adding a new layer by including parent viewpoints and encouraging ChatGPT to offer solutions. This shift makes our brainstorm more comprehensive. So you can see right here. There we go. And another one right here for the parents. Just wait for a while until it finishes with the generation. Alrighty. So this is fantastic with all the details and more context here and there. So as you can see, we have a range of perspectives. So some you might not have thought of before. So for example, right here with what ChatGPT had generated for the educators, it focuses on the following, like lack of real-time interaction, technical barriers and distractions, difficulty in assessing student understanding, maintaining motivation and accountability, and creating inclusive learning environments. For the students' perspectives, feeling isolated and disconnected, screen fatigue and overload, difficulty staying organized and self-motivated, technical challenges and accessibility issues in boring or non-interactive content. For the parents, hold on right here. There we go. See here, balancing home responsibilities. And here's the concerns. See, with the added layer, it added like concerns and solutions, as you've noticed. Another one right here, missing out on social interaction. Okay, tech support, feeling disconnected from what's happening, and negative effects of prolonged screen time. And also, here are the following solutions each here, right over here, and one right over there. So having these diverse viewpoints sets the stage for more meaningful brainstorming. See? Once you have different perspectives, the next step is to cluster related ideas into themes and start building possible solutions. This is crucial for turning information into actionable insights. Now, here's where ChatGPT shines by helping us find connections between ideas. So, let's refine our approach by asking ChatGPT to categorize the input. Now remember, the more specific your categories, the easier it is to create effective solutions. Now let's break this prompt into two parts for clarity. So first, we'll ask ChatGPT to group the ideas. Then we'll build solutions based on those groups. So let's start off with this one right here. Based on the previous list of viewpoints about online classroom engagement, can you group them into key categories? Okay, let's hit enter. So, same as before, we're starting with organization. So asking ChatGPT to categorize the ideas into themes so we can see the bigger picture. All right, so let's see the initial categories. All right, so one right here is communication and interaction. Don't worry, just let ChatGPT take its time to process with the information right here. It can get a slow down as it went on, right? This is from the educators, the students, here are the parents. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here are the categories right here. Equity, inclusivity, engagement and content delivery, technology and accessibility, and last one we'll see, motivation, accountability, and routine. So once we all have that, then the next step will be creating actionable insights. Following later on, so let's just dive deeper and request specific solutions for each with this prompt right here. There we go. Here it is. Now, let's check what ChatGPT generates from here. So, by requesting targeted solutions, we're turning abstract ideas into actionable steps right here. There we go. And here's what ChatGPT would list down right here. Yep, here it is. Just look at that. See? Look. So each of them has challenges and initial solutions. And yep, there we go. And there's also follow-up question right here. If you would like ChatGPT to expand any of these solutions into detailed action plan or provide templates for implementation, it's your choice right here. It depends if ChatGPT would pop up with this question. Feel free to choose either options right here. So, yep, and there you go. Here, just take a look back, and yep, see how detailed it is to help out. All right, so if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now that we've categorized ideas and proposed solutions, it's time to test these ideas in hypothetical scenarios. This helps you predict possible outcomes and refine your strategy further. Let's walk through how to do this. Scenario testing allows you to stress test your ideas before implementation. And so, let's set up the first part of our prompt to explore potential challenges. So let's say we want to implement this one, this initial solution right here. And here is my prompt. The main highlight is imagining an online classroom. My apologies for the wrong grammar right there, where a live Q&A feature has been implemented to increase engagement. So, what potential challenges might arise? So, it's all up to ChatGPT what would happen with the Q&A feature for the online classroom. Let's see. Let's go down. All right. So here are the following. There's some challenges here that are listed down. One is time management issues, distractions, technical barriers. Right. There we go. There are sub points right here to each of the main points right there. These are quite some interesting points, I must say. So, yeah, some of these or all of these can really impact the engagement for the live Q&A feature. Now, let's refine our prompt to brainstorm ways to address these issues. All right, so this is the first part of the prompt. Let's go to the second part right here. There we go. I would say for each challenge, what adjustments could help mitigate the issue while maintaining student interaction? Okay, so by adding this follow-up, we would be asking ChatGPT to provide solutions for each potential obstacle. Now, let's see what insights it generates. Let's scroll down right here. Okay, so participation challenges, here it is, the adjustments that are listed down. Another one right here. So the adjustments will be linked in with the sub topics for the main challenges right here. See? Another one right here. They were highlighted. See? And number 5 right here. And another one right here for number 6. Classroom management. All right. Just let it take time. All right. Okay, so let's go through just a few. So one right here, distraction and off-topic questions. So one right here, relevant and repetitive questions. So helpful right here is assign a moderator and or create topic-focused Q&A questions like concept clarifications or exam prep. So one for number 1, participation challenges. If there are low student engagement, adjustments, use warm-up questions to ease students into participation and allow anonymous question submissions to reduce fear of judgment. Okay, that's quite helpful, I must say. So yeah, you can see the rest right here while I scroll down slowly. So proactively identifying and addressing these hurdles strengthens your strategy before you implement it. See how helpful this is? Now that your ideas have been tested and refined, it's time to create a clear action plan. This ensures that your brainstorming session leads to real progress instead of ending up as a list of abstract ideas. So let's guide ChatGPT to help us build an actionable timeline by breaking the prompt into 2 clear parts. So here's the first part of my prompt right here. So I would say, based on the solutions and scenario insights, can you create a step-by-step action plan to improve online classroom engagement in the next 3 months? So as you can see right here, we'll be asking ChatGPT with this prompt on creating an outline for a timeline. Sorry about that, if that might be confusing with the wording I just did. So once we see that, we should be seeing with every detail on the timeline right here. Okay, so month 1, laying the foundation right here. All right, there's a few more points right here to be more detailed. Month 2, increasing interaction and addressing challenges. All right. Month 3, refinement and long-term strategies. Okay. There we go, step by step right here. There's also ongoing support and maintenance. All right. So this gives it, sorry about that. This gives us a great starting point with this right here, the action plan. Now let's ask for measurable metrics to track progress. And as you can see right here, ChatGPT has asked us a follow-up question. Would you like templates for surveys, progress reports, or a sample participation tracker to complement this plan? All right, so just like I said, progress reports right over here. And let's see what ChatGPT suggests. And here we go. Just give it time. Okay, here's the template. Class name, teacher, reporting period. Okay, key metrics and goals. Okay, there's engagement highlights down here. Alrighty, areas for improvement and next steps. There's teacher and feedback, parent feedback, recommendations for next quarter. All right, so these are the extended details for the action steps with the progress reports, templates that could help you out just in case if you need improvement at all. So yeah, and there we go. One more to highlight. Let's add key milestones and metrics to track progress as well. So let's see what ChatGPT would add up for. Here we go. See right here, this one has provided a detailed roadmap that included goals right here. There we go. Again, metric overview. It's rewriting with the progress reports. And yeah, so with these milestones and metrics and reports, you'll be able to stay on track and be able to monitor your progress effectively. And yep, that's about it. As you can see, ChatGPT isn't just a brainstorming tool. It's like having a collaborative partner that helps you expand ideas and structure them and also turn them into actionable plans. So, if you try this approach for your projects, let me know how it works and how it goes in the comments below. And thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.